Hello YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. I am here today with pretty much, it's like an unboxing and a first impression because I signed up for Fab Fit Fun. I had seen so many people sharing their subscriptions to Fab Fit Fun on YouTube, and I just really loved the concept. I loved the goodies that it came in, just that nice little surprise that you get. This one is a seasonal subscription. I'm a little bit confused about the price because I see everybody saying that it's $39.99, but I feel like mine was $49.99. So I don't know if maybe I should have used a coupon, maybe just for the first time. Can I apply the coupon to the upcoming subscriptions? I have no idea. If you know about that, let me know in the comments down below. But I did sign up for it recently. I got the editor's box in the mail already. I did take a little peek, but I didn't really unwrap some of the things that were in here, but I just wanted to take a little quick peek. I didn't open anything, like the palette. It came with a lip palette, but I didn't open it because I wanted to save it for you guys and just kind of do a sort of first impressions and just kind of see the contents of the box. This is what the box looks like. I got it in the mail. It took a little bit to ship. I feel like I signed up at the beginning of June, and I think it said on the website that it was going to ship towards the end of June. Like I said, it's called the editor's box. I missed the summer box, which everybody, you know, raved about the summer box. It's pretty much every season, so the next box I get is the fall box. When I signed up, I was able to pick two choices from what I wanted, like just out of the two products here. I actually chose those online. They pretty much gave you options and you pick one or the other. So that's what I did just for two of the products. So two of them were not a surprise. The rest were just pretty much, you know, I was just really excited about. Let me open this drawer. Sorry, my drawers are old. This vanity is like super old. So the drawers are wooden and they squeak sometimes. So this is what the box looks like. I actually thought the box would be, I don't know why, bigger. They just seem so long on YouTube. It is long, but it's not that as big as I thought it was. I signed up and you pretty much do a questionnaire of things that you want. I remember like some things you say, would you like to get this in your subscription? And you put like never. I think sometimes you put you like the product or you would love to get it all the time or something like that. So you do like a whole little survey questionnaire pretty much to see all the things that you want. The box comes packaged really, really nicely. I don't know if you can really see it right there. It just has a lot of goodies. It has a little magazine for Fab Fit Fun, the editor's box, and you have a little card that says a note from us, a Fab Fit Fun. We're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're especially excited to introduce the editor's box. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. And then the back of the card pretty much is not gonna focus well. It has all the products that come in the box, and it says here the total retail value is between $301.50 to $336.95. So it pretty much tells you what each product is gonna cost. So I'm gonna try to go in order of the box. So the very first item that I was really excited to get, which I had seen a lot on Instagram and online, is the Yumi Kim makeup train case. This one usually costs $58. And it's like a little makeup bag, but it seems like a really convenient makeup bag. This is what it looks like. So it's like a little makeup case like this, and it has two zippers. The first one has a pocket right here, and then it has a little area where you can hold your brushes, and then it has the bigger compartment on the inside. So this normally, if you were to buy it, retails for $58. So it's actually a pretty pricey train case. I think if I were to buy a train case, I probably would not spend $58 on this. I have one that's like, looks a little bit like this, very similar, that I got at Target. Really, really good, and it's actually a little bit bigger, but it's like the same style. These two-sided train cases I think are really, really convenient, but that one was really pretty. From the brand AHAVA, I got the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I actually used to love, I used to use a bunch of these AHAVA products. The hand cream, the foot cream. Oh, this one smells good, even though it's covered. I can still feel like the scent coming through. It smells really good. I really like the AHAVA products. I used to even use their face products. I would buy them at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they were really, really great. So excited about this. Hand creams always come nice and handy. This is one of the products that I picked. But the other option that they gave me on the website to choose from was this and a product that I already owned. So I just went ahead and got this one. This is, oh, I said I was gonna go in order and I'm not going in order. This is the Ish Lip Statement Palette, and this goes for $42. Oh, this gives you all the products. This card shows all the products that come in the editor's box, not necessarily just the ones that you buy. Oh man, I wish I would have gotten the Foreo Luna. Oh, that I would have loved. That I didn't get. So this doesn't tell you what you have here, but it kind of shows you all the options that come in everybody's editor's box, I guess, or a seasonal box. I was really hoping I would get the Foreo Luna, but I didn't get that one. Oh, that one says it's like the #1 choice. It has like little things that say #1 choice. Oh, I would have gotten either the Foreo Luna or the Turkish towel, which I actually got the Turkish towel. So this is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. Let me take out all this paper. So this is what the palette looks like. It has some nice nudes on top. Love this pink right here. Definitely something that I would use, the pink. Oh, I didn't mention this retails for $33. Then it also came with this Makeupdrop. What is this? Makeupdrop Winter Glitz. Oh, this is the second product that I selected online. It was just 2 products, the lip palette and this one, that I was able to actually take my pick. And it's one of those silicone beauty sponges by Makeupdrop. This one retails for $20. And it's like this. I just have never tried these. I remember when they came out to apply foundation with, silicone one, so I just wanted to test it out. So that's why I picked this one, because I had never tested it out. So I'm excited to try this out. Spongelle, this is Body Wash Infused Buffer in Papaya Yuzu. This retails for $16. No idea what this is. Oh, this is like, this smells good. This is like a sponge. What is this? Body Wash Buffer cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb. Does not say squish. Squeeze to absorb. Massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin. Squeeze out excess water after each use. So I guess this is like a buffer that you kind of reuse over and over again. It's covered in plastic, and I can already smell that it smells really, really good. Did I pick a third? Did I pick this too? I can't remember if I picked this. This is from, I feel like I knew I was gonna get this. This is from Free People. This says it's the Understated Leather for Free People Starry-Eyed Eye Mask. This retails for $40. It says this vegan leather eye mask features a removable non-toxin cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. That adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. So it has something removable. I thought that this would be something cool to take like on a trip. You know, like if I go like to Spain again, 8-hour flight, pump this thing on. Oh, this strap is adjustable in case you have a big head, probably like me. Oh, I don't want to put it on because I'm wearing makeup on, but it's so pretty, and it's like minty. It's a pretty minty green, and it has some silver and gold stars. Excited about this. So then it has a little cooling pack inside. See the little plasticky that you can put in the refrigerator. I feel like I wouldn't even remove this. I would just put this in there and put it in the fridge and pop it on. This is really pretty. This I'm really excited about. And then the last item it came with, did I tell you the Free People is retails of $40? Then this is the Trina Turkish towel. This is $78 is what it retails for. It says, inspired by California's multicultural creative landscape, this oh so soft towel features a beautiful contemporary design that you can take with you to all your summer activities. This I didn't even want to open. I wanted to do it with you guys. Can you guys see this? It's like huge. Oh, this is like cute. It's not, for some reason I thought it was going to be like a shawl. This is a lot of products. Very expensive products. Some are obviously more expensive than others. So let me tell you the other options. You could have also gotten, oh, I remember. I think one of the products they offered me was a primer, the luminizing primer I could have gotten by Dr. Brandt, but I already had it. I think that's a product I already had. And then instead I picked maybe the lip palette. It was either this or a necklace, so I did choose this one. Here it says choice one, either the Foreo Luna or the Turkish towel. I was not given the option to pick between those two, and I got the Turkish towel. Still wish I would have gone the Foria Luna, but I love the Turkish towel too. So yeah, I think for a first impression, I'm very happy with it. I liked it. I love how it's different things. It's not just makeup, different options. So I'm excited about it. I can't wait for my next subscription to come in the fall from Fab Fit Fun. That's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go. I'll make sure to list all the products that I mentioned in the description box down below. And as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching Be Lounge Makeup, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.